how to fix Roblox update error. So I'm gonna show you two things that you can try. For the first thing, we will open up our computer search for Roblox player, right click on it, open file location. Here we will find the Roblox player. We want to right click yet again, and this time we're gonna click on open file location here again. And what we want to do in this folder is basically just find the Roblox player launcher. So just double click on the Roblox player launcher. And what this is going to do is essentially is going to confirm that our Roblox installation is, working properly. So try and see if that fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then what we can do is open up our computer search yet again. And this time we'll search for add or remove programs. Here we'll just search for Roblox. Type Roblox, click on it, and then uninstall Roblox. Then after you have uninstalled it, just open up any game here from the Roblox website, and it's going to automatically detect that we don't have Roblox anymore, and it's going to install the most up-to-date version for us. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.